The jumper is installed into the CVC running tools, and the assembly is attached to a spreader beam. The jumper assembly is lowered to the seabed using a cable from the surface. After final positioning is complete, the jumper is lowered over the hubs and the CVC tools are landed onto the receiver hubs. The CVC tools are landed on the hubs with the connectors raised to protect the jumper connector seals from damage during the hard landing. One end of the running tool is lowered first, with the ROV observing and, if required, assisting in the operation. After both running tools are landed on the hubs, the ROV inserts a dual-function hydraulic hot stab into the receptacle marked TL. The stab provides hydraulic fluid and pressure to operate the tools. The connector is lowered onto the hub. As the connector is lowered, the CVC tool is secured to the receiver structure by latches, which are actuated and locked by backup rods located on the bottom of the top plate of the tool. The soft landing operation mates the connector body with the hub. Final alignment of the connector and the gasket is provided by features incorporated into the body and the hub. Now the connector is ready to be locked. The actuator ring slides down and locks the connector. The actuator ring moves downward over the finger set's 4-degree taper, and the segmented fingers pivot to grasp the mating hub. This locks and preloads the connector. Each CVC connector contains a secondary lock consisting of 2 threaded rods located in the top plate of the connector. The running tool also contains a mechanism to set the secondary locks once the connector is locked. The ROV rotates the end effector, and the secondary lock rod moves down as it rotates through a threaded collar in the top plate of the connector. Here is the secondary lock with the drive mechanism removed. The ROV panel is arranged so that the connector actuator ring can be released from the tool. The pressure allows the tool actuator ring latches to be disconnected from the actuator ring. With the pressure still applied on the circuit, the actuator ring of the tool moves up and away from the connector actuator ring. As the actuator ring moves up, the latch indicators are captured by the soft landing plate of the running tool. This prevents the latches from setting and accidentally snagging on the connector when the tool is removed. The pressure allows the tool soft landing latches to be disconnected from the top plate of the connector. The hydraulic pressure is diverted to the soft landing cylinders, and the soft landing ring moves up. The actuator and soft landing rings of the CVC tool clear the connector, and the tool is released from the receiver structure. The same steps are performed for the other end of the jumper. Once the locking of both connectors is complete, the CVC tools are retrieved to the surface. The Cameron vertical connection system provides a strong mechanical connection, leaving no subsea hydraulic components.